Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Please like the video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel. We appreciate that as we build it up. And we're looking at properties here and around the world each week. Today, we are 72 kilometers from Paris in France. We're at a stunning chateau, and I believe we're on about 42, let's check this, 42 hectare of land. Built in 1870, and we are on 27 hectares, 72 kilometers from Paris, and we're farmland and a garden as well. So let's take a look around this super duper trooper house, this chateau, and the plantings are fabulous to start with. Yes, indeed, coming into this amazing mature garden of yesteryear. And boy, it is a beauty. We see this incredible princess castle, it almost feels like. It is simply impressive. And what more can you say? French, Gothic era, and more. It is wonderful. Look at this eagle here. Just tremendous. Outstanding. Imagine entering this home and walking in and having so much to look at, so much to enjoy, and this house shows it off. This chateau is stunning, France. Massive doors, wide, tall, and proud. Timber beams in the ceiling with masonry insets here. This huge chandelier. It is wonderful. Tiles coming in. They look original because they some have a bit of damage to them, and they're more a stone there. And then there's double doors coming in as well with the light window above, this huge mirror as well. Simply impressive. Into the sitting room here, and we see some painted beams in the ceiling. Beautiful detail in this teal color here. And pictures, of course. And then the masonry work is telling a story as well. We see the historic, oh yes, light fitting and the heating hidden behind this timber guard here. That's one for protection, but also to hide it. And then we see this incredible sculpture here out of timber with the big buttocks. Yes, indeed. And this parquet floor as well. So much on show. I've got to go back there too. Look at these window handles here and the design and detail. You're seeing France. You're seeing France in full flight in this chateau at 3.8 million USD. It looks like good value to me. And that's what you find in France. You find these places because you need to be able to love and commit to owning them because they are a lifestyle investment where they need care and attention in the gardens and inside the house. And there are lots of them in France. Look at these archways. Look at this see-through glass here, this huge archway. I did say that was a mirror. That's a see-through glass there. Into the dining room. And this exquisite heavy table. Huge fireplace of yesteryear. Painted ceilings that Michelangelo would love. Painted ceilings with cherubims and more up there. And then this stone floor continuing throughout, which we talked about earlier, flows through the house. Oh my gosh, look at these stairs from yesteryear. We've got, are these cameras or lights here? Looks like they're lights coming up these stairs, which are all original. Can we see them? Let's get you back here. And look how original these stairs are down the bottom. You can see that original look for sure, because you can see the wear that's happened over the centuries. Upstairs we go, and this is what we're loving, this pointy roof on this building. And here it is, this room here, where Rapunzel would have hung out. And love the wood paneling here against the window. And this huge cathedral ceiling is beautiful as well. France showing off as usual. 72 kilometers from Paris. This is a beauty at $3.8 million. Love it, love it, love it. Look at the mature gardens from yesteryear. Just incredible. Lush gardens. Wow. It is simply tremendous. Huge chimneys. And a pool as well. Why not throw in a pool, massive hedge, outdoor barbecue area? It is everything you need. Tennis courts as well. Oh yes, you have your Princess Castle in Paris. Well, near Paris, France, 72 kilometers away. And love the color here, love the detail here of these checkers as well. Massive pitched roof. It is simply exquisite. And there is the location. And we see, let's zoom back on this a little bit here to give us a bit of perspective. Paris down here. Wow, can we get UK up on the map? Yes, we can. Dover, and coming across to Paris. And there it is. Wow, what a house. What a place. It is simply delicious. Simply delicious. It's the ice cream castle, and you could eat that for dinner, I'm sure. That is a beauty. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. 3.8 million USD. Hope you enjoyed that. Please comment, please like, and subscribe to help build this channel up. And we'll catch you on the next one as we look at properties here and around the world each week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.